Welcome back, everyone. I was about to record, but then I got my delivery for these. I'm going to show these real quick before I show my Scentbird. This is an Fresh Amazon Fresh Pass, and they're chewy trail mix granola bars with fruit and nuts. So I'm going to try some of this Amazon Fresh flavored or brand. Gosh, I can't tell. Not bad. Not raisins and almonds, honey, cranberries. Yeah, it's pretty good. So, anyways, um, today, this is June. June's brand, even though we get it in July. So I ordered it in June. They deliver it in July. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna tell you what I think. It is hot, so I didn't put any makeup on today. Probably be going in the pool. You come with comes with it like that. And remember, I have 3 new scents I can give out, and I got 3 of them. All I need is you to comment, and then or email me. My email will be down in the description. Email me your first and last name and your email address. You don't have to give me your last name, but your first name and your email address. That way I can send it out to you. Okay, so today I got one called Scents of Wood, Calm in Cedar. This is what the fragrance looks like if you were to buy the actual fragrance. This is the bottle. And it is created in a collaboration with Scents of Wood. This medley of warm cocooning notes is designed to activate neural pathways to make you feel relaxed and refreshed. Comforting cedarwood, amber tonic, and tonka bean carry you to a lakeside retreat where towering trees and soft clouds are reflected off the water's surface. It has cardamom, violet leaf, orris, cedarwood, and amber. So those 3. And then it comes with a URL or a code if you want to scan it and buy it. Yeah, Calm of Cedar. So I'm gonna open it now. Let's see. Of course it does that. So it's like a tube. It doesn't give you the atomizer that's in my other. So it looks like this. Oh, that smells good. That almost smells like my husband will like that. Oh, that smells good. Whew. So I'm going to put this in my optimizer, and it smells really good. It does smell like woodsy, kinda. Smells good to me. So yeah, that's a plus. Always switch it out. I only have one optimizer. I really like it. I'm gonna leave it in here for now, though. That smells really good. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Scents of Wood, Calm in Cedar. I like it. I give it 5 stars, 5 out of 5. That's a great smell. See y'all later. Thanks for watching. Peace out.